Hello educators, welcome back to this another tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to sync ProQuiz test or IELTS test in your LearnDash course builder. By default, LearnDash do not have the option to insert or add the IELTS test, but if you're using growth plan or higher plan, then you can integrate ProQuiz test with your course builder, which means your students will be able to take the IELTS test inside the LearnDash courses. Now let's see how to do it. For that, log into your WordPress website and go to dashboard, and then hover over LearnDash and go to quizzes. Now on the right side, you will find this option called Sync ProQuiz. If you click on Sync ProQuiz, and you will find some options here. So the first setting is to select the modules which you want to sync. Now in ProQuiz, there are two sections. First one is My Quizzes, second one is Library Quizzes. My Quizzes has the list of tests which you have uploaded, and there are 4 categories which you can sync with LearnDash, which are reading, listening, writing and speaking. So select the category which you want to sync with LearnDash quizzes, or by default you can keep all the 4 modules as it is and click on sync. It will automatically sync or integrate all the tests which you have uploaded in the ProQuiz library. However, if you want to insert or sync the library quizzes, then you have to toggle on the second option, which will sync all the library tests which are uploaded by us. And the third setting is to update the existing data. For example, if you made any changes in your existing test and you want to update the settings, then enable the third setting and toggle on the first option which says only change the metadata. This way, if you made any changes in the setting or the scoring, it will automatically update the quiz. Or you can remove the entire test and replace it or sync it again. So these are the settings which you can try and sync all the existing ProQuiz tests into LearnDash quizzes. Once it's done, you will be able to see all the tests in the LearnDash quizzes. Now let's see how to insert or add these tests in a ProQuiz builder. For that, go to your LearnDash courses and click on builder option. Now here on the right side, there are 3 tabs: lessons, topics and quizzes. And in the quizzes area, now you will be able to see the test or the ProQuiz IELTS test. Hover over any of the tests which you want to insert in the LearnDash builder and click on add, and it will automatically add the test in the selected lesson. If you want to add the test in the second lesson, then select the second lesson and click on add. You can also search the name of the test in the search bar. So if you want to add Cambridge Book 17, search for C17, and it will automatically filter all the tests which has the C17 keyword in it. This way you can add IELTS tests in a LearnDash course builder. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments or send us a support ticket. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.